It's a 2016 Lincoln MKX. When it comes to your drive, you have to consider all the details: comfort, space, efficiency, safety. This Lincoln MKX covers everything perfectly. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, voice activation, voice-activated climate controls, adaptive suspension, rear parking sensors, and V6 engine. Lincoln, luxury accommodations for your everyday. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.